precision, precision, production. Welcome to the future of engineering. Dalkrins Technologies, engineering done right. Dalkrins Technologies, coloring industry with might. Design, research, production, innovation at its best. Dalkrins Technologies, where engineering meets success. Machining, precision every cut. CAD/CAM, CNC training, building skills the future wants. Turning, milling, tool supply, consulting you can trust. G-code, M-code programming, engineering without guesswork or rust. Research, innovation, production in one place. Industrial design, shaping tomorrow's pace. From prototype to final machine, Dalkrins Technologies. Crane, embeds, and keen. Dalkrins Technologies, center of engineering excellence. Dalkrins Technologies, precision is our confidence. For industry training and consultancy, we engineer beyond imagination, driving progress through innovation. Dalkrins Technologies, Dalkrins Technologies, engineering services.